Welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to show you a new patio umbrella from Abba Patio, which features LED lights. I'm going to unbox it here and put it on my deck. Oh, this looks like a beautiful red color. Now, of course, all you have to do for this pole is screw it in, so you don't have to worry about any hardware involved. This does have a solar panel I need to attach for the LED lights on the inside, so let's get that. Alright, so this is the solar panel that goes on top of the umbrella. I'm going to install it in 1 second.
Oh, hi. Looks like you're putting together the umbrella. That's a nice shade of red.
Yes, I am.
Can't wait to see it.
Me either. Alright.
I'll get the box out of the way.
So all you have to do to put this in now fully is to line up the prongs on the bottom with the holes in the top. Put it in. And then twist. If I can put it in. Put it in. And then twist. And now it's on there.
You need help with that?
No.
Okay, see if that tighten the umbrella.
Alright, so that is up. Now, the solar panel is up at the top, so we're going to give this some time before we come out and see what the LED lights are. But let me tell you some specs first. Here's the crank to open up the umbrella. As you can see, it does have handy ways of telling you when to go up and how to go down. Here's the switch for the lights. It's on and off, and it's covered by a nice like silicone cover, so you're prevented from getting any rain damage. So now I'm going to try it. So this is what they look like in the bright daylight, but of course I will come back at night to show you what it looks like for maybe a nighttime cookout. Alright, just a little bit of information about the umbrella. This is an Abba Patio rectangular patio umbrella, and this one is 9 feet by 7 feet, and it has a total of 32 LED lights. It has a tilt and a crank. Our old umbrella didn't have either of those, so I think this is by far a lot more functional for our purposes. Information says that the lights in this umbrella last about 9 to 12 hours. So if you were out here all day and then maybe you had like a pool party or something out at night, you'd be able to enjoy the lights for as long as you were outside. The fabric of the umbrella is 100% polyester. It does have an anti-rust powder coated aluminum frame. So you're not going to have to worry about this rusting, particularly if you're in a very rainy area or you get a lot of snow. Alright, now I'm going to show you the tilt function. The tilt goes this way and it goes this way. So wherever you place this, it's going to be functional for whatever purposes you need. Let's show you this way first. There's a button here that you press so that you can release it to go down. I'm going to do that. And it clicks into place, so you don't have to worry about not putting it down. But this is this way. Now, bring it back up. As you could maybe hear, it clicks into place.
So this is from ground level looking up at the raised deck. And you can see how the umbrella looks when it's tilted from this angle. So why don't you put it straight up and down so we can see how it looks down here. I guess you need that tilt function if you had the sun coming in at a strong angle. And that looks like that provides a lot of coverage from the rain and sun.
Here you can see where it does lock into place, so you know the umbrella does not come crashing down on you when you're out here enjoying possibly a cookout. Oh wow, those look spectacular after dark. They're a lot brighter than I thought they would be. They definitely provide enough light for you to be able to socialize, have a nice gathering outside, maybe a cookout, without having to turn on all your external lights. Here's how they look from outside the deck. Alright, that's a look at this Abba Patio umbrella. Please make sure you check the description section below for links or any more information you might have missed. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Thanks for watching.
No, no.